Huawei is all set to unveil their next big flagship with Huawei Mate 20 Pro later next month, and we already getting series of leaks and rumors about the device. Huawei Mate 20 and Huawei Mate 20 Pro will be the first Kirin 980 powered smartphones, and will maintain the company's dedication to AI features. The chipset in the image is strategically positioned in the central upper part of the smartphone outline, confirming the square camera setup that was leaked numerous times. Looking at the camera department, the Mate 20 phones will likely have the same 40 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel tele setup as the 20P Pro, but now will be in a square arrangement with the LED flash. Huawei Mate 20 Pro will have 6GB and 8GB RAM variants. And storage option will be 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. Thanks for watching.